Welcome to vStellar. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create an Android test case using vStellar Studio. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded all the required prerequisites and completed your Android mobile setup. If you haven't done that yet, check out our Android prerequisite setup video and the documentation link in the description below. Once everything's ready, open Studio. You can either create a new project or open an existing one to get started. In this video, we already have a sample project open to walk you through the Android test execution process. From the toolbar, click on the config option and a pop-up will appear. On the left panel, you'll see a mobile option. Click it open. This is where we define our mobile capabilities, which tell vStellar which Android device or emulator to connect to and which configurations to use. We've added two sample capability sections. You can modify them according to your connected Android device. Once done, click Save. Next, let's check out the locators. For mobile testing, locators are essential for identifying and interacting with elements on your app screen. In this project, we've already created the required locators for the demo. To view them, open the Test Data folder in the Project Explorer, navigate to the UI section and open the locators data file. You'll notice separate files for Android and app. You can also organize your locator files into separate subdirectories to keep everything structured and easy to manage. Now let's move to the feature file. In the Project Explorer, go to the Test Suite and open the mobile folder. You'll find the feature file here. I've already created this file and added the feature name and scenario name. Open it and you can start writing the scenario step by step. As you type keywords like when user, vStellar will auto-populate pre-built methods. Just select the one you need. For Android testing, the first step you'll write is when the user sets the desired capability with the key name you have already selected in the mobile config. This step has one parameter. The key you mention here must exactly match the key defined in your config file. All other steps have parameters too, which have been discussed in a separate video on creating locators. After writing the first step, continue writing the remaining steps as per your project requirements. Once the feature file is ready, it's time to run the test. From the toolbar, open the runner file and select Run Execution. You'll see the execution being performed on the connected Android device or emulator. And that's how easily you can create and run Android test cases using vStellar Studio.